the next question. This is on mathematical reasoning. For mathematical reasoning, we must know if P then Q. For if P then Q, inverse is not, if not P then not Q. Converse is if Q then P, and contrapositive is if not Q then not P. Question is based on this contrapositive, and we must know the negation of this one is and negation of this one is. We will use this fact in this very question. What is given? If A is subset of B and B is subset of D, then A is subset of C. For such a statement, suppose P is A is a subset of B. Suppose Q is B is a subset of D, and suppose R is A is a subset of C. Now see, what is this? If P and Q, if P and Q means P and Q then R, and we have to find contrapositive of this statement. See here, for small p, here P and Q, and for R, this one. What is contrapositive? Its contrapositive is if not R, then not P and Q. Not P and Q. And for this negation, what do we write? If not R, then not P or not Q. Means what? If not R means final. R is what? This. This is if not A and C means what is R? R is, what is R? R is subset of A is a subset of C. So what is negation R? R is A is a subset of C. And what is negation R? Negation R is if A is not a subset of C, then not P. Not P means what? P is A is a subset of B. Not P means A is not a subset of B. This is OR. Not Q means what? Not Q means B is not a subset of B. So, which one is the appropriate choice? Appropriate choice will be 1, 2, 3, or I think this is fourth one. So, 4 is the correct answer of this question. Okay, thank you.